ça, c'est Clefsina Perfect Head qui pourra préparer un porridge for you. Et very powerful, very extra for the cook. Ok? On va le faire là pour. Ça c'est carotte là. Ça c'est plantain. Ça c'est ma soc. Ça c'est yam. Ça c'est ginger. Et ça c'est cinnamon avec star. Ça c'est boisdine. Ça c'est œuf. Ça c'est garlic et muscade. Oignon violette, citron, watercress. Ok? Avec méthode warm, extra powerful malt, carnation milk, coconut, and Nutramet, and little gin, how you call that? And cinnamon, and so boile feli c'est similar avec banana, but it's a more extra full than banana. Okay? When you see the video, don't be hesitate to have a good success in your marriage. Okay? This is Clefsina Perfect Hand prepared for you. Okay? I'm going to set up everything. After that, I'm going to show you how everything goes. Very good, very nice. Okay? À la prochaine. See you another time.
It's Craig on it.
Now I'm going to put the ingredient boil for 20 minutes, and after that I'm going to blend it and put all my other ingredient in there.
It's Craig on it.
Okay, il fin bouilli et puis la produit là, moi mettez sweet condensed coconut milk in there. Okay? C'est comme ça pour ma wait thing for come down to hot, and I'm going to blend it and put the other milk and other ingredients. And after that I'm going to show you everything. Okay? This is the egg, yellow one. I'm going to put little lime, muscle lime, half lime in there. And after that, this is the nutmeg and zest lime. You put in there. Vanilla extra. Not too much. Okay. Now we're going to come down. Okay. I'm not going to do too much at one time. This is enough. Milk, Alors bonsoir, bonjour, c'est Claire Sina, Perfect Hand qui t'a préparé un porridge pour powerful porridge for the coupe. Ok, mes résultats, ok, bien épais et pour qu'à boire à nos deux. Vous comprenez? Ici, very épais. Et l'autre encore, ça on peut mettre dans le frigidaire et puis vous boire. Vous pouvez boire ça et vous faire 2-3 semaines à boire. Mais il est very powerful, ou pas boire tout le temps. You don't drink all the time. And once a month, if you not weak. But if you're weak, you can make it 2 times. But it's a very strong, powerful porridge for the cook. Okay? Thank you. Everybody, when you see this video, don't hesitate to make it. And that's very good. Very helpful for the family. And don't hesitate to abonner to the channel and subscribe, comment, share with your friends. I love you guys. Much love. Bye bye.